Are your team ready for this?
Oh yeah, this will be a tough game. It's Bosnia's last chance to go for that third playoff spot. I think, you know, sometimes with success comes complacency, but not with this group of players. Highly focused all week on the next job, the next challenge. That's tomorrow. We know what's being said. If we get a point or if we win, we're going to qualify. We can't control that. We can only control our own preparation, and the captain and the players have been absolutely fantastic all week. We've got a hell of a good group of players. Great togetherness. We will attempt to do what we've done all campaign, and I think the one thing these boys do when they walk on the pitch, they show everybody what it means to them to represent their country, and they've created an identity for themselves. So that's what we have to do.
You know, I think the lads are bang on it this week. We've got a lot covered on the grass and in the meeting room. So if anything, it's been, you know, a more focused week, but at the same time, it's been quite relaxed, and it seems like business as usual. So I think the lads are in great spirits, and as I say, really just really focused on the task. It's about us playing the game, not the occasion, and just really focusing on what our jobs are and roles in the team, and within that 90 minutes, and then trying to get the job done. And if we do that, we'll be okay.
It's been impressive. I think it's a nice thing to see for all different kinds of nations, the smaller nations, for example, to actually build a generation of players and have a good coach to lead them with a lot of discipline and hard work, and obviously having a couple of world-class players helps as well. But it's been great to see, and I wish them all the best. I've played a lot against these guys. I know these guys really well on week in and week out, and I wish them all the best. And I'm sure they'll qualify and enjoy the European Championships, and hopefully we can join them there and then see if we can play them and meet there again.
Go on the pitch tomorrow night, put it on the line, take it to Bosnia, and hopefully our fantastic travelling fans and all the supporters we have at home, the Welsh population, we can make them proud with another good performance.